That's how we quickly analyze kung increase or decrease based on the particular category or particular account, okay, kung favorable or unfavorable siya sa atin. So again, hindi magmamatter kung tama ka ng amount na na-compute. Magmamatter kung tama ka, kung favorable or unfavorable. Kasi that's where the variance analysis fall. Okay? Parang nag-conduct ka talaga ng analysis kung kaya mo i-identify kung if it is for the better or for the worse of the company's performance. Okay, that's about it. Any questions? Clarifications? Kaya na mag-quiz? O fast pacing? Naintindihan po? Drop in your questions, guys. Wala. Tahimik ka.